How to use the basic remote control functions on an LG split airco system. In this video we will show you the different modes and how to switch between them and to control the fan speed and direction. Simply use the mode button on the remote control to toggle between the different modes. Use heating mode to increase the room temperature. Fan mode circulates the air without changing the temperature. Dehumidification mode is used to extract moisture from the air. Use cooling mode to decrease the room temperature. Auto operation mode will switch automatically between cooling and heating, depending on the room temperature. To turn on the airco, point the remote control towards the signal receiver at the right side of the air conditioner. Press the mode button to toggle between different modes. The icon for the set mode is lit up on the remote control. Change the temperature by using the arrows. Consult your owner's manual for the temperature ranges for each mode. You can also control the fan speed and the direction, both horizontal and vertical. Repeatedly press the fan speed button to change the level. To indicate the set level, the indoor unit will display an F value and the remote control shows an amount of bars. The horizontal air direction can best be viewed on the remote. A change of vertical air direction can also be observed by looking at the vertical louver. For other remote control functions, please consult your owner's manual.